I was almost a tasty snack for that owl. Phew, we have to find the culprit pronto. Who on earth has eyes that scary?
It's me, Baba.
You scared me!
I went back and questioned the bird again, and she said that she saw the eyes while she was moth hunting.
The frog said he was hunting for moths, too.
What? Moth hunting? Then the scary eyes are, moths? That's impossible.
Yeah, impossible.
That's it. I'm sure the moth must have seen those scary eyes, too. Let's ask the moth when it comes. I must have dozed off. Hold on. I think someone's here. Baba! Molly! Wake up!
Huh? What? Where? The eyes! The eyes!
Is it scary eyes? Who is it? Tell me!
It's a moth! It's the moth!
What? The moth has scary eyes? Is it a monster moth?
The owner of the scary eyes!
Was the moth?
Apparently, the real culprit was the moth. It was an amazing moth that had snake-like eye or owl-like eye patterns on its wings.
It's an owl!
Wow!
Ribbit!
Rabbit!
They got tricked again! Tricked again!
Big round eyes patterned on the backs of their wings. The eyes are like a cool weapon that protects them against enemies. Their eyes keep them safe during the day to sleep. The mystery is solved!